Good day, bud. What did you do?
Exercise his arms, he likes it.
You're getting some big muscles.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you going to be a thinker?
Exercise.
Oh, exercise?
That picture, like, totally looks like you right there.
He's like, what the heck?
He likes it too. Wait till he puts
You liking it?
Wait till he puts his feet on your stomach and pushes himself.
He was doing it. He was doing it.
Yeah. Special by Jonathan.
Look at his little face. Look at those feet. Look at those feet. Holy moly, you're gonna be a tall boy.
Let's do some kickboxing. Ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2,
He likes
1,
it
2.
though.
Ja.
Look at him.
His face, he's like,
I didn't do that one.
oh my goodness.
Yay! All done.
Look at his face.
Let's.
Say, Dad. He'll be exhausted. He'll never be able to eat this next round, seriously.
Or he'll be so tired he can't fall asleep. Look at his tongue. I love it when he does that.
Bless you.
He's doing so many sneezes. There they are. The 2 men in my life.
Say hi, mommy. Let's do the tongue game for mommy. Ready?
Daddy's turn. Davin's turn. I'm surprised he hasn't done it yet. Come on, it's your turn to do the tongue thing.
Punch. Hook.
I don't know why this cracks me up so much.
Hook, punch.
Oh, buddy. Oh. Okay, we're done. Okay, we'll stop. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. Daddy, sorry.